In the heart of Greenwich, a youthful Emily was captivated by the story of the mustard seed, a tale that reminded her to start small and dream big. This young go-getter had a passion for baking that was as deep as her desire to make a difference. And so, with the spirit of the mustard seed story kindling in her heart, she decided to take the first step. She set up a quaint stand right outside her home, hoping to share her love for baking with the world. The stand, adorned with homemade signage and a table laden with her freshly baked goodies, stood as a testament to Emily's dreams and aspirations. As she waited for her first customer, anticipation and excitement danced in her eyes. As the day wore on, her warm smiles and scrumptious treats began to lure passers-by. Soon, the word got out about Emily's little corner of deliciousness, setting the foundation for her future success. With each cookie sold and every satisfied customer, Emily's confidence bloomed. Her dreams began to stretch beyond the limitations of her small stand, envisioning a full-fledged bakery filled with the aroma of sweet delights and the sound of heartfelt laughter. A place where people could gather, not just for the treats, but for the warmth and camaraderie her future bakery promised. But Emily was no stranger to the fact that dreams don't just materialize. They are built brick by brick, with determination, resilience, and an unwavering spirit. There were days when the weather was unkind, the customers were scarce, and her aspirations seemed like distant stars. But Emily, just like the mustard seed, knew the value of staying rooted amidst adversities. She showed up every weekend, serving not just cookies and cakes, but a slice of her dream, one customer at a time. Despite the challenges, Emily remained steadfast, serving up smiles and sweet treats, rain or shine. As her reputation grew, so did Emily's business, and her dream of owning a bakery started to take shape. Emily's stand was no longer just a stand. It was the heart of a community that came together to enjoy her mouth-watering treats. As her business flourished, so did Emily's confidence and sense of purpose. She began to experiment with new recipes, pushing the boundaries of her creativity and innovation. Each recipe was a testament to her willingness to take risks and her unwavering dedication to her craft. She started with the simple cookies she had always loved baking, then ventured into more complex pastries and cakes. Each new creation was met with delight, and her customers eagerly anticipated what Emily would come up with next. The loyalty of her customers was nothing short of extraordinary. They returned week after week, not just for her treats, but for the warmth and joy Emily brought into their lives. They were not just customers, they were part of Emily's story, and their support was instrumental in the success of her business. Emily's small stand had blossomed into a thriving bakery, a testament to her hard work, determination, and belief in the power of starting small. It was more than just a place to buy pastries. It was a place where dreams came true, where the community came together, and where the story of the mustard seed came to life in the most delightful way. Reflecting on her journey, Emily saw the parallels between her story and that of the mustard seed. From a small roadside stand to a buzzing bakery, Emily's venture had grown, not unlike a mustard seed that sprouts into a towering tree. It was a testament to the power of starting small, nurturing with care and patience, and dreaming big. Emily's business, like the mustard seed, began as something minuscule. It was a small idea, a seed of inspiration that bloomed into a thriving enterprise. This growth was not immediate, nor was it easy. It required patience, dedication, and an unwavering belief in the potential that lay within her and in the seed of her idea. The mustard seed's journey, from a tiny speck to a mighty tree, mirrored Emily's own path. It was a reminder that great things often have small beginnings, and that consistency and perseverance are key to growth and success. It instilled in her the belief that she could overcome any obstacle, weather any storm, and emerge stronger and more resilient. Emily's story is a testament to the power of small beginnings and the potential that lies within each of us. It's a story of faith, resilience, and the unwavering belief in one's dreams. It's a story that teaches us to embrace challenges, to remain steadfast in our efforts, and to always strive for growth. Armed with unwavering belief in herself and the lessons of the mustard seed, Emily was ready to face whatever lay ahead, confident in her ability to turn her dreams into reality, one small step at a time. We hope you've been inspired by Emily's journey from a small roadside stand to a thriving bakery. It's a story about dreaming big, starting small, and nurturing your dreams with care and patience. If you enjoyed Emily's story and found inspiration in her journey, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might need a little inspiration. We'd love to hear from you. What was your favorite part of Emily's story? Have you ever experienced a mustard seed moment, a small beginning that blossomed into something much bigger? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, every big success starts with a small step. So take that step today, and don't forget to share your journey with us. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep nurturing those dreams, and remember, like a mustard seed, even the smallest beginnings can lead to the greatest successes.